Is this your first startup?
No. I've been a tech entrepreneur pretty much my entire, or in and around it. And most recently, I was a co-founder of a software company that I co-founded in 2008, and we launched our product in August of 2008, only 2 weeks before Lehman Brothers failed and the Great Recession started. So we had to figure out how to survive pretty quickly. And it went from, we're going to be rich, to how can we even just keep the lights on? Hard times compel you to get clever and be smart and really focus on the things that matter. So, and the business survived and thrived and grew and became a category leader. And ultimately, we were acquired in 2017. And I stayed on for a little while, but after some time of being a company that you found and having it be acquired by someone else, I was looking for something new. And one of my executives at my last company was also kind of in the same mindset. So I said, I'm going to go start a new company. I have no idea what it's going to be, but I'm going to go do it. And if you want to join me, I'd welcome you. And he's my business partner, Aaron. And Aaron and I started talking about working together in the beginning of 2020. And we actually formalized the fact that we're going to start a business in March of 2020. So I have a really great timing of being able to start businesses right before global events happen that make the economy really terrible.
You might become an indicator. They might call it the Chris Bright indicator.
Exactly. Oh, Chris is starting a business.
Yeah, they know what happens around elections generally. Yeah, et cetera. Yeah, okay.
Move your stuff into gold.
This has been Jeff Stearns, Connected Through Cars.